mirror. It is a highly polished surface which performs the regular reflection of light. What is mirror? Mirror is a highly polished surface which performs regular reflection of light. This is irregular reflection of light, whatever that is taking place on the wall or from this surface. Highly polished surface which takes place, this is what is mirror? A highly polished surface on which regular reflection of light takes place. We are having two kinds of mirrors: plane mirror and spherical mirror. You know what is a plane mirror? Plane mirror is a mirror whose reflecting surface is plane surface. Plane mirror is a mirror whose reflecting surface is a plane surface. That mirror on which you see your face, that is, plane mirror. How to form this plane mirror? Take one thin glass plate. And silver it on its one surface. And then silver it on its one surface, and then to give it firmity, इसको पक्का करने के लिए, नहीं तो केवल सिल्वर लगाओगे फिर कुछ लगेगा तो छूट जाएगा. इसको पक्का करने के लिए do the coating of lead oxide. Yes, do the coating of, then this surface you will get reflecting surface. Got it? And spherical surface, you take a thin hollow glass sphere. And take a small segment from it, and then you polish, you silver its either surface, either this one, or then the mirror form is called spherical. But at this moment, spherical mirrors you need not to study. Now, image. What is image? See, image. When the rays of light traveling from a point after reflection, they either meet at a point, or they appear to come from a point. Then at that point images form. At that point images form. What is image? When the rays of light traveling from a point after reflection, either they meet at a point or they appear to come from a point. And at that point, where either they meet or they appear to come, at that point only image is formed. We are having two kinds of images. Yes, we are having two kinds of images. Number one, real image. Number one, what? Real image. Real image, when the rays after reflection, they intersect. The reflecting rays intersect. Then real image is formed, and real image can be taken on screen, and real image can be taken on screen. Real image can be taken on, and virtual image. Virtual image, when the reflecting rays, when the reflected rays after reflection, they don't intersect, but they are drawn backward. After drawing backward, they intersect. They means the if reflected rays are in such a way that while moving direction, moving ahead, they don't intersect. If you draw them backward, then they intersect. So then these kinds of rays, they form virtual image, and virtual image cannot be taken on the screen. Real image, yes, generally it is inverted, and virtual image, it is erect, and this one inverted. What is the meaning of inverted? Suppose this is your object, so then image, if it is from this way, then this is inverted image. And if your object this way and image is also this way, then this is erect. Got it? Got it? Now see how to draw the image of point object in plane surface. How to draw the diagram of image of a point object by a plane surface. See, formation of image of a point object by a plane mirror. Formation of image by formation of image of a point object by a plane mirror. Now see, suppose this is a plane mirror and this one is reflecting surface. So you have to keep the object here. Now see, first of all, one ray that will travel normally to the surface. When normal to the surface, then angle of incidence is 0. It is not going to reflect, will be reflected back on its same path. Yes, one more ray. Suppose this one. One more ray. This one more ray, because to form the image, at least 2 rays are needed. At this point of incidence, draw a normal, measure this angle I. Measure this angle I, that is angle of incidence. According to the laws of reflection, angle of incidence and angle of reflection both are same. So whatever the angle, suppose this is 30 degree, then here also you draw 30 degree. And I equals R. Suppose if it is 40 degree, then here also 40 degree. Now see, where are two reflected rays? Reflected ray number 1 and reflected ray number 2. If you allow them to move here, then they don't intersect. So for their intersection, draw them backward. Here also you draw, and here also you draw. See, this is object and that is image. This is object and that is image. So image formed by the plane mirror, it is virtual, and whatever the distance of the object from the mirror, at the same distance image is formed from the mirror. Means mirror से object जितनी distance पर होगी, उतनी distance पे mirror से पीछे image बनेगी, और जो image है वो दूसरी तरफ